Right, grade threes. Today we're going to look at how multiplication and division are related. If you look at the book, we are expected to write two multiplication times and two division number sentences. Let's look at the example they've given us. If you look at this example here, how many dots are in each row going down? There are 3 dots in each row. So 3 times 4, because there are 4 rows. And let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 3 rows with 4 dots in each row, and that makes 12. If we take the 12 and make it into groups of 3, how many groups of 3 do we have? Yes, we have 4 groups of 3. Let's look here. 4 groups of 3 equals 12. So we've got our 4 groups of 3 and it equals 12. This one, 12, and we must share it into groups of 4. So here's 4, 4, 4. How many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So 12 shared into groups of 4 equals 3 groups. Let's look at the first one they've asked us to do, and let's do it together so we understand. The first instruction says, draw 3 rows of 12 dots. Okay, so let's draw our 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 1 row. How many more rows? Yes, I need another 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another row I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, let's have a look at the next instruction. It says write 2 multiplication and 2 division number sentences. All right, so how many rows did we have? We had 3 rows or 3 groups of how many were in each row? Of 12. Let's check and see how many does that mean all together. We've been practicing timing or counting in 3s, so let's do that. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. And if you know your 3 times table, you already know that 3 times 12 equals 36. So how many have we got all together? We have 36. If we share them into groups of 3, into 3 groups, how many have we got in each group? Share into groups of 3, we've got 12 in each group, because that's what they asked us to draw. Look at it the other way. If we look this way, how many groups do we have this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 groups. So we've got 12 groups of how many dots are in each group if we look that way? 3 dots. And 12 times 3 equals 36 because we counted them just now. All right, let's look at the last division sum. 36 divided into 12 groups. And we end up with how many in each group? 3. Let's see if you can complete these exercises.